people, another opportunity for us to enjoy bonuses that are being offered in estate for 3 different properties that you can purchase this month of February, and you will get bonus for it. So I am going to dive right in and share that information with everybody watching this video, because this is a great opportunity for us to acquire more real estate in estate. So they said estate is introducing February property bonuses, and it is a limited opportunity to strengthen your portfolio with real tokenized assets while receiving additional bonuses on select properties. During this period, buyers receive extra bonuses for purchasing tokenized real estate, increasing overall returns on income generating assets without increasing the initial investment amount. So the bonuses are: if you purchase the house real estate, the Arch Cape, you will get 580k. Now this 580k will allow you to spin the wheel. Okay, you spin the money wheel through the reward tab in your back office, and you stand a chance to win up to $1,000. Now let me go back to my back office. So this is the back office, and this is the first bonus that you will get when you purchase this house property. And to purchase this, you need a minimum of $480, and you'll be earning about $2.69. So in a month, you should be making up to $56.49. So once this is purchased, they will give you 580k, okay, which is number one there. They will give you this 580k, which will then allow you to come here to your rewards tab and spin this wheel. Okay, so when you spin this wheel, you have the opportunity to win up to 1,000. You can see that is 1,000 there. Okay, so you can win up to 1,000 when you spin the wheel here. Now, if you purchase the second villa, let's say you don't want to do the house villa, you want to purchase the desert villa. Okay, so if you purchase a fraction of this desert villa, you will get a bonus of 1,080k, which means you will be able to spin the wheel. This is a good opportunity for you to purchase the desert villa. Now, my understanding from the back office here is the desert villa is up to $1,000 for you to get started with this. Okay, so this is the minimum for you to purchase the desert villa. Now this desert villa will give you $5.02. So in a month, you should be earning up to $100 and above dollars, and the break-even point is 8 months, which is great for anybody looking for passive income in a tokenized property. So this is, to me, is really a good opportunity for anybody in estate to own a fraction of this property and also be given a bonus of 1,080k. The last property they are offering for the bonus is the land plot. When you purchase a fraction of the land plots in LA, they will give you a bonus of 312 EST. This 312 EST is equivalent to $3,120, which is equivalent to purchasing your villa. So let me go back again and show you that. So if you purchase the land plot, this land plot, if you purchase it, it's $51,310. You will be given a bonus that will allow you to purchase this villa, $3,120. So it's like you are buying one and getting another one for free. Okay, if you decide to go for the land plot, okay, 51,000 plus, to which is the minimum to purchase a piece of this, okay, a fraction of this. So the offer is valid through February up to 28, And February is not about waiting. It is about placing capital where real value compounds. Position yourself early and move forward with a stronger, more resilient real estate portfolio. So if you want to build your portfolio, this is another opportunity for you to do so. It's a great opportunity because it gives us these bonuses to make sure that we are able to win at least up to 1,000 if we spin the money wheel, or purchase equivalent of the $3,120 villa, okay, as a bonus. So guys, this is real, it's happening, and I want everybody in my team to participate in this platform. If you have not registered yet, the link to do so is below this video description. Register, complete your KYC, and then deposit and purchase your real estate. The link to do so is below this video description. I have recorded a video on how to register, how to deposit, how to complete your KYC, and how to purchase your real estate. Okay, so all the links for the videos are in the video description below. So go on, get started, and see you shortly in my team. Thank you and God bless.